As an accountant, you know how important it is to keep track of your clients' finances. But with so many software options available, it can be tough to decide which one to choose. That's why so many accountants turn to QuickBooks. It's the leading accounting software for small and medium-sized businesses. Why do accountants love QuickBooks? First, it's easy to use. The software is intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech genius to figure it out. Second, it saves time. QuickBooks automates many accounting tasks, like invoicing and bill payments, so you can focus on more important things. Third, it's accurate. QuickBooks is designed to prevent errors, so you can trust the data you're working with. And finally, it's cost-effective. QuickBooks has affordable pricing plans, so you can get the features you need without breaking the bank. If you're ready to take your accounting to the next level, consider QuickBooks hosting with Availclouds hosting services. As a special offer for clients of QuickBooks, Availclouds hosting services is providing a 1-month free trial of our QuickBooks hosting services. To take advantage of this offer, simply access our 10-day free trial page by clicking the link provided below this video and entering the code QB023 in the Any Specific Requirements box. Don't wait, improve your business efficiency with QuickBooks hosting from Availclouds hosting services.